So guys, I'm here in Kingston and let me give you a apartment tour. I'm at Echelon. It's at 41 Upper Waterloo Road and it's an Airbnb. It has a keyless entry. You walk in, directly to your left is a bathroom. 3-piece bathroom. Okay. And then in from here is the closet from the bathroom. And through the bathroom, it's the bedroom. And through the bedroom, it's a faux leather couch, TV console with cable, washroom with washer and dryer in there, and then your kitchen. So I'm gonna give you a pan. And let's see what's beyond these shutters. Okay, so I'm on the ground level and there is the pool there. This outside looks comfortable. There's one seat that I can see. Let's see if you can go out on the balcony. So it's a ground level unit. The gate is there. The pool is there. Pool closes at 10, and that's the entrance to the entire apartment building. Cute. Everything done in glass. So that's the apartment tour. So this is gonna be my humble abode for a couple of days. And we shall enjoy. Okay guys, I'm at court. I hope you can hear me. I'm at court. I have arrived to Jamaica and I'm ordering my food. It is, I'm at court, I think West. This is in Sovereign. And I'm gonna be ordering my food and telling you guys how it tastes. I think I'm feeling pasta, so we're gonna do pasta. My voice is low because it's very intimate in here and I don't wanna blow up the team too much. So, yeah, my flight was amazing. Flight was so smooth. If you want a Boeing 757 Arajet, and it was a comfortable ride. I sat alone, as you guys saw in the clip before, and Jamaica was raining, was overcast, but by the time I got in, the sun was setting. So yeah, so now I'm here and I'm gonna eat some food and show it to you guys. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. What do you suggest as food?
You could do a poached salmon if you've never done that before, or we have a grilled salmon. We serve that with mashed potato and sauteed veg.
Oh, that sounds good. I heard about your jerk chicken pasta. Is that one really good too?
Chicken pasta, yes, you can try that.
Okay.
Or pesto pasta, creamy pesto pasta where they do the Alfredo sauce and the pesto. You can always add some shrimp or chicken, your choice of meat. So you get to add them.
Okay guys, so I ordered a salmon with mashed potatoes and mixed vegetables. I'm having a glass of wine and some water at the side. There was a pumpkin veg soup that I just ordered as an appetizer, and so we're just waiting on that. It's a nice little vibe. It has wine bottles everywhere. It's very intimate, nice date night place. I'm so sorry that I'm dark, but the light is behind me and not in front of me. So I'm having a glass of Riesling, which is semi-sweet. Very nice. I'm just gonna enjoy my night here, and then I'm gonna see some friends later on. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you the food and my experience. Okay, guys, this is the pumpkin veg. It's very nice. It's nice and hot. Cauliflower poppers. Took care of it with wine. And I ordered salmon with mashed potatoes and mixed veg. Good morning. Good morning. As you can see, I just woke up. Brush my teeth, wash my face. It seems like there's gonna be a kids' party there. People are setting up the pool. You can see the balloons right there. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm up because my braider is coming to braid my hair this morning. Thank God she's coming early, so I am getting my hair washed. I should have done it last night, but I ended up going to my friend's party, a little miniature party in Kingston, and came in at 2 o'clock in the morning. So now I'm running on 4 hours of sleep, and I need to wash my hair and blow dry it for the next 30 minutes. So guess what? Let's do this. So guys, Fel came to do my braids today. I'm so happy I don't have to go to a shop. She's willing to come and do it. She'll come to you too. How far are you gonna go, Fel? How far you would go?
How far?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Does it matter? Alright, so Portmore, Kingston.
Yeah.
Okay. Bochi? Yeah, okay. So you heard it. She'll come to you. So I'll leave her details below, and I'll give you guys her number at the end of the video. We're just vibing out and relaxing on a Sunday and getting it done.
So how was the service, my love?
It was lovely.
Right, what do you love most about your service?
That is in the privacy of my home. Loved it.
Yeah, I was a stylist.
Perfect. That is always a joy to have. Come
Hey, Fel.
Fel, where can they reach you?
Where can they reach you? Simple.
Where say when you get the number, right?
Yeah, you're
So give your number.
You're a traveling stylist, right? She goes anywhere, she drives. So, what's your number?
Number is 420-578.
And then we have the infamous Mr. Miller from, you guys already know, Bebe Styles.
Yeah.
Today is a Sunday. Bebe is not open today, and they're not open on Mondays, right?
Yeah, we're not open on Mondays. We close. Our open hours are Tuesdays to Saturdays from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. Our contact numbers are 350-0005 and 839-2550.
Yes.
You can WhatsApp at any time.
Yes.
I'll be up to answer you.
Yes. Miss Miller and Felissa does not leave any unanswered messages, any unanswered calls. They will call you back and they will set an appointment.
And
Customer service is A1.
We are
Besties, they're besties. So if it's a Tuesday through Saturday, you can book at the shop if you feel like going to the shop. If you don't feel like going to the shop and you want to be at home, Fel is your girl, okay? Call at any time, make appointments. Mr. Miller is the manager there, right?
Yes, I am.
At Bebe Stars. Bebe Stars is not a stranger to Instagram. All the hot girls go there,
Yes,
including celebrities. So, you know, the prices are reasonable as well. So don't be afraid of the prices. Just call Miss Miller and she'll hook you guys up, okay? Yeah, thank you. But, I got tickets to go see Patchy, which is at the UE Performing Arts Center. So I'm in Megamart right now, trying to pick up a few items to go home. And just a few items to go home. Bring back something for my sister that I think she'd like. And then head back to the apartment to get ready to go to the event. I just want to be super careful because I don't want to put anybody, you know, I know. She likes plantain chips. Let me see if I can get her some plantain chips. What she wants me to pick up from the supermarket, because I am not sure. I know she likes banana chips and stuff, but my sister doesn't eat meat. She's 100% vegan, so I want to be careful what I'm getting for her. And so I think I'm gonna call her on WhatsApp right now and see what she wants me to get for her. And I'll give you guys a call back. Guys, I'm getting sliced cheese. Of course, for my bun and cheese. Cannot go without it. This cheese here, sliced cheese. And I'm looking for bun. No, not really. That was a bad association. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. And we're gonna check out now because we have to go home, take showers, do our makeup, and then have enough time to get to the show. Guys, isn't Miss Miller and Fel a warm breath of fresh air? They have become more than stylists at this point. They are more like family. You know, my sisters and the girls, they go to the shop. You know, just whatever we need, they're able to. I'm telling you, customer service is top notch. And we have issues with customer service here on the island. So when you find good customer service, you tend to keep it and want to keep it. I'm so happy to see them again. We were chatting it up and getting my hair done. And now my brows look darker than ever, but I promise guys they're gonna soften up. I was able to get tickets to Patchy, which is a show here by actors that you may know and love already in the social media community, and I'm so happy to be able to catch a show. Usually when things like this happen, I'm back at home and I'm not able to do it. So now that I'm on the island, I am so happy to partake of that show today. So I'm getting something to eat, and I'm getting the biggest, the baddest, the best of all time, KFC. I know some people don't like it, but I love it. So I'm getting some KFC today. And I'm heading back to the apartment. I'm gonna get ready and head to the show. I want to give myself enough time to purchase a ticket at the box office. I had spoke to somebody online because really online it's sold out, general admission, but there are VIP tickets available. So I'm gonna purchase a VIP ticket and enjoy the show. And I think the show is about 90 minutes. So if it starts at 6, it'll be over at 7:30. And I don't know, if I'm hungry, we'll go out to dinner or we'll catch up with some friends. And that would be it for my 36 hours in Jamaica. I was able to enjoy the pool a little bit at the at the apartment and just relax. I'm in the city. There is a beach that's close by, Hellshire, which is the closest beach that you'll get, but it's raining today. It's gloomy, so not a good recipe to go to any water at this point. And I'm having a blast. Listen, this is how I want to permanently live my life. But because we have to work and we have to go to somebody's job, we can't do this 24/7. But it is good to get away for a little bit and to do what you want to do and be involved with the place that you love, be involved with your friends and family. It's always a good time to come back home. So I am so happy you guys were able to join me on this vlog. I don't think it's going to be the end. I'm going to add, I don't think I could record, but I will ask permission, at the entrance if I'm able to record bits and pieces of the play. And we will see how it goes. I saw a lot of reviews on social media and it seems like a great time. So I can't wait to partake of it. I can't wait to see the actors and the storyline. So come with me. Oh my gosh, guys. I just got pulled over by the police. Seatbelts. But a woman police. That is the worst person to get pulled over by in Jamaica. Men, you will get away, not women. Not for only not wearing a seatbelt, but she said that I turned on a red light. I remember I turned on the red light. But the guy in front of me stopped short, so I had to make the turn. I was in the middle of the cross section. So she pulled me over and she was just like, license and registration. I said, oh my gosh. I lied to her. I told her, she was like, ma'am, why? Not only that, you're not wearing a seatbelt. Stupid me pointed that seatbelt out. She was like, do you know why I pulled you over? I said, oh, because I'm not wearing a seatbelt? She's just like, oh, not only that, you turned on a red light. And I was just like, oh, I swore it was Amber. And then she said to me, so why aren't you wearing a seatbelt? I lied to her. Oh my God, I'm going to hell. I lied to her. I lied to a police officer. The summons. I also told her that I'm tomorrow, which doesn't make any sense. I can't show up for court. I can't debate it. So she just let me go, thank God. But I lied to her. She asked me why I'm not using a seatbelt. I told her I was pregnant and I had acid reflux. It's a good thing I look pregnant. Oh my gosh, I'm going to jail. Not only that, my sister leaves a freaking ratchet in the car. She's like, what is this? I was like, Lord Jesus, book me, take me downtown. Why did you leave a knife in the car? Oh God. Okay guys, I am headed to the venue to buy my ticket for Patchy. So I was told that VIP tickets are available, so I'm heading there now to see if all is well and to enjoy the show. Wish me luck, because if I don't get a ticket, then we'll find something else. This is Jamaica. There's always something to do at any hour of the day. It's kind of dark here, so I'll see you guys when I get to the car. I'm late. I get there at 6:01. The show starts at 6. I still have to buy a ticket. I know y'all can't answer me, but I'm on Washington Boulevard. I'm about to turn on Patchy Drive. Am I going the right way? Oh, Jesus. I know the UE campus is behind Long Mountain. So why am I coming this way? I don't know. If I'm late, I'm late. Okay. Folks, I don't know where I'm going. I need to turn right on Patrick Drive in 1.1 mile, and I'm scared to death I'm in the wrong place. I am on Washington Avenue, that boulevard that goes straight into the Edward Seaga Highway to go to Ocho Rios. I've never been to UE Mona, but I don't think UE Mona is there. I don't know what to do. What? What to do? I don't like getting lost in Kingston. Not my favorite pastime. So I followed what was on their Instagram page. So I'm hoping I'm at the right Hi guys, it's Charlene. So guys, I just came back from watching Pitchy Patchy. OMG. First of all, I have to give you a whole story time on Pitchy Patchy, but I wanted to say it was hilarious. The guys did such a good job. TC, I've always loved TC on her Instagram, so on and so forth. I just love her different characters and how she could jump in and out, and she's just so funny. There are 11 scenes. I think there was 11 scenes. And I'm actually looking at the names of all the characters here because I'm familiar with Tanania from social media. I'm familiar with TC. That's Katisha Chapman. She's known as TC on Instagram. Dinar. Of course, Royal. Dinar Royal is known as Dan Dan on Instagram. He's hilarious, okay? Wayne Marshall, oh my goodness. And of course, there was a guy there that played a child in like a school scene. I'm not sure what his name is, but other characters were Desmond Morris and Dee Burns. I'm not familiar with them, but when I tell you the cast meshed, it was laughter from start to finish. If you guys are in Jamaica, check out Pitchy Patchy. It is hilarious. Like when I was going there, I was already down because there's a story time to come about that. I went ahead and I tried to find it on Google Maps. It's on their Instagram. It says Philippe Sherlock. When I clicked on it, it asked me to open up Google Maps. When I opened up Google Maps, I followed it. I was already late, right? Running late. So I left here at 5:45 and it said 14 minutes. I said, cool. You know, I'll get there at 6 o'clock. I'll be able to catch the intermission and so on. The Google Maps took me to Sherlock Crescent in Patrick City. Okay, so I went the total opposite way. It was on the UE campus at the Philip Sherlock, I guess, Performing Arts Center. So it took me another 38 minutes to get from, you know, Sherlock is like a maze. So to get out of Sherlock, get back on the Washington Highway, get to on the side of UE, find parking and all that. And I was able to catch the last, I guess, 6 scenes. I missed 3 or 4. So that was a bummer because when I tell you those last 6 scenes had me cracking up, especially between there was a dreadlock guy and Wayne Marshall doing a battle, and it turned into like a Beanie Man, Bonesy Killer battle. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was really, really, really good. I love the school scenes. Even though I never went to school in Jamaica, I heard from my brothers and sisters how school was back then, and so it was nostalgic to see that brought to life. Listen guys, if you want to laugh, check out Patchy. I mean, I haven't seen a play in a long time, but this one has like awakened something in me for me to see more. So good job, Patchy. This is an amazing one. I laughed from beginning to end, and hopefully you guys run for a very long time and you're able to come out with more. There were some very serious parts in it that I don't want to discuss because I don't want to spoil it for you, but when you do see the production, you will get what I'm saying. I love the folk dancer at the end. He was thebomb.com, love it. And so, like I said, if you guys want to see it, go ahead and see it. Check it out. I hope they run it again when it's like tourist season and tourists get a whiff of what an authentic Jamaican play is like. We are known for plays from Oliver Samuels to Delcida, and the list goes on. I could go on and on and on about our plays. Sometimes I stay home and I can watch Oliver Samuels all day. Lime Tree Lane all day. It's just so nostalgic, and it brings back so many childhood memories for me, as my mother allowed us to watch any amount of Oliver Samuels we wanted. So, so yeah, if you guys want to check it out, check out Instagram, pitchypatchy.com, or wearpitchypatchy.com on the internet, and buy your tickets. I'm not sure if any tickets are remaining, but I'll tell you a little secret. If you email the Pitchy Patchy, there's a Pitchy Patchy email that's connected to their Instagram, you'll speak to a lovely girl named Sharona. She's one of the executive producers on the show. She will find out if tickets are available, if somebody canceled, or they have VIP tickets remaining, and so on. So contact Sharona at the email, and she responds promptly. So again, oh my gosh, I loved it. It's a must-see, a 10 out of 10. Will recommend again and again. Good night, guys. Bye.